Guys, everyone is losing their minds from your crypto market, your precious metals, such as your gold and silver. So it seems like everything is uncertain, everyone is doubtful, and everyone has lost their own confidence. And everyone has lost confidence sa financial market. So totoo naman yan. Everything that you're participating, lalo na sa financial market, may always be having bigger risk more than what you think. Whether you're an experienced trader, an investor, again, you make money, you also can lose money. And that's a fact. Nevertheless, 2026 na, I think this is your chance to have a good personal development. Learn new skill or improve what you already have. And isa na doon is pagiging trader. So, well, for this continuation ng ating TFP Champion Price Action Trading Series, I will show you how simple it is to make decent money just by having a good working system or approach. So kung gusto niyo matutunan to, please watch the rest of the video. What is good mga champion, and welcome back to another video. For today's video guys, this is such a special lesson kasi right now, everyone is losing their mind, everyone panics. So, seems like nawawala na ng interest yung mga tao to participate in this high-risk industry. Ika nga. Pero take note, let's remove all of that doubt and put that into our advantage. Ibig sabihin yan, this is your chance para matuto ng mga bagong skill. Kung nagsisimula pa lang kayo sa mundo ng trading, well, you are on the right channel to learn this high valuable skill. High income producing skill. So today, I will show you why is it important to have a good working system. And today, I will demonstrate step by step ano yung nagiging thought process ko whenever I participate sa kahit anong trades. Nga pala, I do have a big announcement to make. So, I think pretty much some of my fellow followers, subscribers know that my birthday is coming. I think this is a good chance for me to give back to the community. And of course, dun sa ating mga avid followers, subscribers, I do get a lot of inquiries, particularly dun sa mga masterclass lesson. So, I will have a huge discount for you guys for the option 2 only. Option 2 for the TFP Champion Masterclass lessons. So, that will be a 50% off. You'll be offered a 50% discount on its original price. Again, if you want to be part of our global TFP Champions VIP community, you may want to check out my 3 offered programs. This might be able to help you guys fit whatever option you have to be able to improve on your trading journey. So for the option 1, this is the TFP Champion 90-day one-on-one mentorship program. Usually, this is a twice per week session, and again, schedule is based on your convenience and availability. So for the option 2, this is the TFP Champion Masterclass lessons. So I have managed to prepare 28 masterclass lessons catered for a zero knowledge, beginner, intermediate to advanced levels, inclusive of the main VIP TFP Champion system. So this is usually catered for those people na may difficulty on their schedules, managing your time, and hindi ma-accommodate yung schedule provided for my one-on-one mentorship. Again, there's no excuse. You can also still learn TFP Champion system at your own pace. And lastly, for the option 3, this is the TFP Champion Bootcamp. Again, if you want a more fast-track 5 weeks program, because we will be meeting 4 times per week session, again, this might be able to help you boost or improve your trading journey on a short period of time. So without further ado, let's get straight to our lesson. Alright, so again, when it comes to making decent money out from forex trading, again, nothing is impossible. Okay, everything is learnable naman, and that's the reason I'm also sharing publicly yung mga basic strategies that, you know, it was my bread and butter when I was starting, to be honest. So this TFP Warrior system helped me understand ano nga ba talaga yung mga pwede mong makuhang opportunities just by using basic concepts. Okay, so hindi mo naman kailangan ng 3-4 na indicators to tell you where to buy or sell. Okay, you just have to understand more of the price action and how to interpret the price itself. But of course, okay, everything has limitations, and that is why I'm teaching sa VIPs, okay, mentorship program, my improved TFP Champion system, okay, wherein, of course, scalability wise when it comes to profitability, mas mataas Okay? And of course, yung trading IQ nyo, mas taas din. Alright? So, kung makita natin, this is the current price for CAD-yen. So, CAD-yen is one of the underrated pairs but definitely can provide you a lot of great opportunities as long as you know ano yung dapat yung tignan. Okay? So, first things first, okay, kailangan natin makita ano ba yung structure ng market. And dyan napapasok yung skill natin when it comes to understanding as a whole, okay, yung ating market structure. So, if I were to zoom out, diba, kita naman natin that market is currently on an uptrend. Okay, wag lang kayo mag-focus dito. Okay, most traders ay nag-focus lang sa current structure ng market. Take note, sentiment, and of course yung momentum. Also, makikita yan dun sa mga historical structure. Kaya nga, alam natin, at this point, market is now on a bull run. Okay? Given that, does that mean na pwede na ako mag-buy? Of course, dyan na natin i-refine using our top-down analysis. Of course, yung ating lower time frame approach. Okay? So, ngayon, nasa daily ako, which means I have to check the bigger scale muna. Base this, and alam ko naman as a momentum na galing tayo ng uptrend. So, let's just mark some levels na pwede natin magamit for either a long-term perspective opportunity or short-term opportunity, right? So, ang mga key levels dan, take note as a confluence, pinakauna is I saw a significant level of resistance. So, speaking of resistance, okay, it is always not a guarantee na dahil lang may support resistance ka, is pwede ka na mag-buy or sell. Okay? So, it is an area wherein hahanap pa lang tayo ng opportunity. Hindi siya literal na buy at support, sell at resistance. Kung may tuturo sa inyo ng ganon, run away. Alright? So, you must think logical when it comes to key levels. Okay? So, meron tayo dito ang resistance. Ibig sabihin, there's an area of selling opportunity as a probability. Okay? Hindi siya guarantee. So, at the same time, if I were to add some confluence, makita natin, meron tayong level of trendline support. Can be a huge factor knowing, ma-visualize mo ano ngayon yung patutunguhan ng market. So, meron tayong resistance, meron tayong trendline support. Okay? How about our level of significant horizontal support? Okay? So, dyan mag-matter yung mga areas nearby your current price. So, you're going to check yung structure natin, meron tayo ditong, di ba? Common value here, average value, kung saan nag-react yung price frequently. So, ibig sabihin, this can be a factor of significant level horizontally, right? Meron tayo ditong horizontal level of support. So, I can use this as a support level. Again, hindi porket na support ka, guarantee na ikaw ay makakuha ng buying opportunity. You still have to refine that sa lower time frame. Okay, so meron tayo dito logical support. Okay. Okay. So, given na market price is squeezed in between support at resistance, okay, now I can use other structures from the left to check whether yung setup ko ba na gagawin is for buy or sell. Okay, so I can use this peak, this higher high, and point that out as an anchor point, no? Meron tayo ditong point dyan at dito. So, kung makita natin, in terms of TFP wire system, sabi nga natin, if I were to buy, okay, as a buyer, I must be on top of key significant levels. Which means, as a buy, kailangan nasa ibabaw ako ng horizontal support, trendline support, and breaking through counter trend resistance. Okay? So, ang sweet spot mo lagi for buying is around here. Okay? For selling naman, in contrary, no, I must be below ng, horizontal resistance, below ka ng terminal resistance, and a break of counter-terminal support. So, which means, ang sweet spot mo naman for selling based sa TFPR system must be below. Okay, so, ito ka sa ilalim ng key levels yan as consequences. Okay, so, now that we have reviewed yung ating basic TFPR system, let's analyze ano yung opportunity pwedeng i-provide ito on a long term, at the same time, short term opportunity, right? So ngayon, I am now sitting above horizontal support. That's given. At the same time, I have broke through from this level yung counter trend resistance, which means I have satisfied two constituents for buying. So, if I were to refine ito pang consequences natin, I can improve pa to. Can use this. Yan. So, which means, on longer term or long-term perspective, if I were to buy, pwede na tayo makakuha ng opportunity here. But, take note, we have a resistance dito. So, which means, if I were to trade as a buy, okay, mag-iintay muna ako ng pullback dito sa level na yan. Kasi ito yung magiging HPT zone natin. Diba? Kasi, logically, dissatisfied yung ating rule. Diba? So, bigyan ko lang to ng para may. So, ang goal natin, since if mag-pullback siya dito, I will be above major consequences level. So, trend support, horizontal support, at break of counter trend resistance. So, this is a good spot for buy. Given my take profit will be up until this level. So, which means I am confined within this level only. Okay? We cannot assume, okay, or any by gut feeling na tatagos yan. Okay? Again, we should only be reactive and not predictive in that sense. So, reactive kapag nandito siya, then is a good spot to buy. Okay? At the same time, ano pa yung mas magandang long-term perspective na buying area? If market broke through this resistance level. So, which means, lalabas na ang sweet spot mo naman for HPT zone mo for a buy is dito. If ever hindi siya mag-materials mag-pullback dyan, okay, I still have a chance na buy dito. Provided, makawala siya dito sa resistance level. So, which means, what I'm doing is I'm plotting potential areas for trading opportunity. Hindi ko siya hinuhulaan. Okay? I'm plotting based on what the system is telling me. Okay? Hindi dahil gusto ko doon mag-buy or sell. Okay? So, if in case market, okay, magkaroon tayo ng reaction dito, then I can go down sa lower time frame. So, ang tanong ngayon, that is for my long-term perspective view. Ibig sabihin, probably swing perspective setup. Okay? Paano naman yung mga day trader at short-term traders? Okay, lalo na yung mga scalping. That's the time na you have to look for opportunities sa mas mababang time frame. Again, meron tayong combinations ng time frames for specific styles. So, what I'm showing you here is I can refine to given na swing ko ngayon, wala akong trade or potential setup pa kasi I'm still waiting. So, I can go down sa 4 hours. Okay? So, sa 4 hours, definitely, mas magkakaroon siya ng more structures. And pwede ko nang i-refine dito yung mga pwede kong gawing setup. Okay, tandaan natin, swing, nandito yung sweet spot natin. So, again, for day trade setup, is there any chance na makapag-buy ako or sell? Okay, so let's try to improve ito. So, gawa natin ng levels. Okay, so don't be confused sa mga lines. So, I'm just showing you what I'm viewing in terms of opportunity. So, kung day trade ako, as I buy, okay, then my sweet spot would be around this level. Same scenario. Okay, around this area. Diba? Kung buy ka, obviously, you have to wait for a pullback. Then, ang TP mo, dito. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, halos mag-aalay na siya dun sa swing setup mo as a whole. Diba? Kasi bakit? You're waiting for a pullback dito sa HPT natin na minarkahan recently for what? for our swing perspective. So, lalabas, halos wala masyadong difference if we're going to swing or day trade. Diba? So, ang tanong ngayon, how about scalping? Okay, dito na magkakaroon ng changes. Okay? Ang scalping ngayon is meaning, diba? Swing at day trade, we are waiting for the pullback. So, ang tanong ngayon, why not trade the pullback while going down? So, yun yung pwede yung opportunity for scalping. Ibig sabihin, I may now have to look this structure sa mas mababa pang time frame, which is 1 hour. So, tandaan natin, for scalping, H1 and 5 minutes yung normally magka-partner. So, H1 yung ating key level, and yung ating 5 minutes is yung ating entry or execution time frame. So, take note, hindi natin buburahin tong mga level na to kasi, again, this can be a basis hanggang saan lang tayo pwede mag-trade kung mag-short term trade tayo. So, pupunta ako ng H1 to view anong pwede kong gawin. So, given that, ay, tingnan natin ha. So, ito ngayon ang structure ngayon ni H1, di ba? So, meron tayong bull run. Okay? However, kung babasahin yung structure, nagkaroon tayo ng somewhat consolidation. Pero as the market progress, di ba? Ano napapansin nyo? Nagkakaroon na ng mga lower highs. Which means there is a weakness from the price. So, may potential na bababa nga yan as a selling opportunity. Pero, that selling opportunity is actually a pullback dun nga sa day trade or swing natin. Okay? So, iti-take advantage lang natin yung selling opportunity yun for us to take a short-term trade. Diba? So, ngayon, dito papasok yung confluences level. Okay? Horizontal. Ano pa? Diagonal, which is yung ating trend line. And yung ating trend line resistance. So, sweet spot. As I have mentioned, based sa TFP Warrior System rules for selling, ito ako mag-sell. Right? So, if in case na ang market broke through these levels, this acting support now become future resistance at mabasag itong counter trend line support, then it's a good opportunity for you to sell off. Okay? Plus, you are now below pa ng trend resistance. So, which means this is a high probability selling short term for selling. So, ito yung HPT zone mo for sell. Okay? So, ang tanong, maglalagay na ba ako ng order dyan? Limit orders? No. Di ba? Bakit? Iintayin mo muna magkaroon ka ng breakout dito. Okay? So, and then afterwards, wait for the pullback. Once it reach this HPT sell area, okay, maalin man dito sa level na yan. Kasi hindi naman perfecto yan. Pwede yan tumagos. Okay? Anong gagawin nyo? You will go down sa 5 minutes to do the same process. And that is an opportunity for you to do a sell-off hanggang sa ka magtitipi dito sa trend line support na yan. Or, supposedly, mag-a-align lang siya dito sa level na yan. So, somewhere near here. So, if we're going to refine naman yung inyong entry, lalabas na magkakaroon ka at least ng 1:3 risk-reward ratio. So, i-assume natin, no, since current price naman yan. If ever sa 5 minutes ka, you still have a good risk-reward ratio. Ika nga, kahit i-extend mo to, TP, lalabas. Okay, of course, may refinement yan pag nasa 5 minutes ka na. It will still fall on estimated 1:3 risk-reward ratio. Roughly yan. Okay? So, again, provided na magkaroon tayo ng breakout dito, breaking all of these 3 levels. Okay? Trend line support, break of this counter trend line support, below tayo ng horizontal resistance or currently support now, and trend line resistance. So, this is a good spot for you to sell off. Okay? Again, I'm showing you na hindi limited yung mga opportunity na pinaprovide the market. It's just that you just have to look ano yung dapat mong tignan. Okay? Based sa system nyo. Again, guys, you all have different system rules. Okay? So, some people might see other opportunities na hindi align dito. So, that is okay. Kasi bakit? Magkakaiba tayo ng rules. Pero if you're going to follow nga yung system natin, which is TFP wire system, lalabas na we have an opportunity to sell off as a pullback dun sa long-term perspective. So, I'm just taking advantage nga yung mga small moves, and that's the point ng scalping, di ba? You're going to take a short-term opportunity as a piece dun sa mas malaking move, right? So, again, kung babalikan natin yung perspective na sa daily, okay, lalabas na kahit pala ako ay nasa support level, I may have a short-term opportunity for me to sell off, provided na I know ano yung ginagawa ko at ano yung tinitignan kong structure sa lower time frame. Right? So, this opens a big an eye-opener sa inyo na hindi kayo dapat maging limited lang dahil lang nasa support ka, hindi ka pwede mag-sell. Okay? Take note na malaki ang sakop ng daily 4 hours. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, as you scale down sa mas mababang time frame, mas dumadami yung structures and it will provide you more opportunities na makakuha ng mga short-term trades. Okay? So, that's what I'm sharing with you right now. So, you can earn money decently from this type of approach. Okay? I'm not saying this is perfect, but ang point ko dyan, this has limitations. But this was my bread and butter. How I understand things before. And as I mature, mas tumaas pa yung trading IQ, of course, kaya kong i-improve yan. And yun nga po yung ating TFP champion system. Alright? So that would be it. Again, guys, I'm really motivated to help you guys, and that's why I come up with this consecutive lessons for this TFP Champion Price Action Trading Series. I do understand there's a lot of people coming in this industry na medyo confused, so that's why I'm providing these lessons for you guys to start, make decent money without burning your funds from the start. Again, thank you so much to all my TFP VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. So God bless. See you all on the next videos. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, so I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement, and hopefully, guys, you can join us and make this community grow, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright, guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market, but as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright, guys, so that would be it. So, yun lang, and thank you very much. Right, bye-bye.